I wrapped the pipe under the sink with aluminum foil, not knowing if it would be worth it. It turned out I had discovered a method that was a total hit. This clever trick was suggested to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of using foil like this before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in kitchen sink pipes. While washing dishes, food scraps go down the drain, which leads to unpleasant odors. We use hot water for washing, which melts the grease. In the drain pipes, it starts to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that regular aluminum foil is all you need. Tear off a large piece, then tightly wrap it around the pipe. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. Foil has thermal insulation properties, which helps keep the water flowing through it warm for longer. Oil and greasy residue will flow into the vertical pipe without sticking to the bend or drain. I tested this trick myself, and there's no longer a bad smell coming from my faucet, even after pouring out leftover grease from a pan. I'm thrilled that such a cheap and simple method actually works. I never thought that ordinary bubble wrap could help so much in the kitchen when I wrapped it around the sink pipe. It turned out to be a solution that solved all my problems. This clever idea was suggested to me by a plumber, and I'm convinced that few people know about this use of bubble wrap. A lot of grease and dirt build up in the sink pipes. When washing dishes, hot water melts the grease, but it cools down quickly inside the pipes, causing blockages and promoting the buildup of debris. Over time, clogs form and unpleasant odors appear, making it hard to use the kitchen. Only after using bubble wrap did I notice a significant improvement. You just need to wrap the pipe with bubble wrap, which acts as thermal insulation and keeps the water warmer for longer. This way, grease and dirt don't stick in the bends but flow freely down the drain. I tried this trick myself, and since then, I haven't had any problems with bad smells, even after pouring out greasy leftovers. I'm amazed that such a simple and cheap method really works. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. Drop them into your bathroom sink, but also toss a few of these cubes into your kitchen drain. Once you learn this trick, you'll stop buying expensive and harsh chemical cleaners. Take 2 limes and cut them in half. Make sure they're juicy. Then slice each half into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add enough water to completely cover the lime pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve. Use a teaspoon to press out all the pulp. To the strained liquid, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and about 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well. That's your cleaning solution. Grab an ice cube tray and pour the mixture into each compartment. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to protect the contents, and place it in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the plastic and pop out the cubes. And you're done. Just drop one of these cubes into the sink and run some water. Fresh, clean scents will rise from the drain. They also work great in the toilet. Perfect for freshening up your bathroom in seconds. No effort needed. Don't throw away your used tea bag. It has a hidden function. Watch what happens. Very few people know this trick, and I'm sure you had no idea about it. Let me show you. Prepare your tea as usual. Put the tea bag in a cup or glass and pour in hot water. Drink the tea and set the bag aside. Wait until you've collected a few of them, because that's when this trick works best. Put the used tea bags in the sink, but of course not new ones. only those you've already used for making tea. Place them directly into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and pour the boiling water over the tea bags. Leave them like this overnight for the best results. In the morning, simply take them out of the sink and throw them in the trash. Your drain will be like new, with no unpleasant odors coming from it. This trick with used tea bags costs practically nothing, which is why it's worth trying. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing. Throw coffee into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can be transformed into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive solution that will come in handy in the kitchen and bathroom. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which perfectly absorbs unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour a glass of vinegar, known for its disinfecting qualities, and add it to the bowl with coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution well. Once ready, pour it into the sink. Let it sit for a while, allowing the ingredients to work. Then, rinse with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetylsalicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals, and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you.